We're just going to jump right into it today. We're doing shrimp quesadillas. They're going to be good. I've got a new toy over here I'm going to be using for the first time, so got to kind of play with the temperatures on that and kind of learn it and get the feel for it. So anyway, the way we're going to start this is I'm doing a lime and tequila marinade for the shrimp, because I'm grilling these. It's going to be a grilled tequila lime shrimp. Really good. I've done it in the past. Fantastic. Now what I've got here is 2 pounds. This is Gulf shrimp. I've already cleaned these. I've deveined these. They're ready to go. So what you want to do for this marinade is start off with 2 tablespoons of tequila. I just put some in a jar here and brought it with me. 2 tablespoons of tequila. I'm going to go in with the juice of 2 limes. Well, this will be a little bit easier. Got an actual lime press now. Oh yeah. Now you can use an olive oil, you can use a grapeseed oil. I'm using avocado oil because it's got a high temp factor to it, and like I said, I'm doing these over direct fire on the grill. So you just want to go in with about a 1/4 cup of this oil. I've got a pinch or 2 of cumin and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright, we're just going to mix that up good. I want to take these shrimp, just dump these over into the bag. Try to get most of the air out, seal it up, toss these around, get it covered well. Now the thing about lime is that it will actually start cooking your shrimp, so you really don't want to go over about 30 minutes marinade time on this. At the end of 30 minutes, I'm going to take them and I'm going to use my skewers here, and I'm going to slide the shrimp on the skewers and onto the grill. We're going to get the grill fired up while this is marinating. The shrimp marinated, I got them all on skewers, as you can see here. It's about seven or 8 skewers. Got the grill fired up. I'm using the S&S Kamado today. Don't have any deflector plate in it, just hot coals, a grate, and that's it. Let's go over here and get these on the grill. So I'm just going to pop these skewers right here. It's going to be about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Shrimp cook extremely fast. Last one here. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. I'm going to get these pretty much done. I mean, you don't have to get them completely done because they will finish off inside the quesadilla as your cheese and everything is melting. But I'm going to get them very close. Now you can use other cooking methods to get your shrimp ready to make these quesadillas, but I really like that grilled shrimp flavor. And this lime and tequila really gives it a great flavor. You can flip these as many times as necessary too. Alright, a few more minutes on the shrimp and we shall be ready to put these quesadillas together. Getting ready to put these quesadillas together. Before I do though, I want to talk to you just a minute on different cheeses. A lot of people have told me through comments over the years, because I would incorporate cheese with shrimp, and they would enlighten me that shrimp and cheese does not go together. Well, there's nothing further from the truth. It really does pair well, but it all depends on what kind of cheese you're using. You want a cheese that doesn't carry a lot of flavor of its own. And I've got 3 different cheeses here. There are very mild cheese and very melty. Well, 2 of them are very melty. 1 not so much, but it's still a mild cheese. I have a Oaxaca cheese here. This is a Mexican cheese, Oaxaca. And you can just shred that on a shredder and use this. I also have a manchego, which is, this actually came from Spain. This is made with sheep's milk. Very mild, very good cheese. It's good for these. But what I'm going with today is this one right here. It's in a pack. It's already shredded. It's queso quesadilla, and this is a Chihuahua, another Mexican type cheese. Very good meltability on that one and this one. Not so much on this. It will melt, but it can also separate the oils, but it's a really good cheese. All right, I'm gonna go down with this tortilla. This is a flour tortilla, and these are really good. We get these at a local Mexican place there near the house, and you can tell a good tortilla because this thing is cold and it's not crumbly. See how pliable it is? A lot of tortillas you have to heat up before you can actually work with them. Not the case with this one. So what I want to do is just lay down cheese. Now I'm doing these quesadillas where I flip them over and do like halves. You can just build the whole thing and then put a top on it, but I really prefer this method. Take some of this shrimp. Just place those throughout it. I'll probably use 2 skewers on each one of these. I'll be making 4 of them. Let me tell you, one of these will fill you up. Or it will your average person. Now 3 of these I'm going to be adding onions. Just raw onions. That's a Spanish onion. Also adding just a little bit of cilantro. And that's pretty much it. We're just going to take and fold this over. Now I've got butter. I've got 2 sticks of butter that I've been melting over here. This is my new toy. This is my, I call it a sandwich press. I've heard them called planchas. And it's a 2-sided griddle, basically. It's a sandwich press. It's not really a panini press. The panini press has the strips in there. I did not want that because I'm making some Cuban sandwiches here before long. And that is an ideal grill to do this with. Matter of fact, just a little trivia here. This is made by Star. This is a Star Grill Express. If you watch the movie Chef, it's the exact same one. He had 2 of them on their food truck. And it's the exact same model. So what you want to do is you just apply some of this butter right across this tortilla on this side. Just like so. Take some and put on your griddle. Now these are 12-inch tortillas. This griddle is 14 inches of cooking surface here and about 10.5 this way. I can't get 2 of these on here because of the sizes or the size of the tortilla, so I'm just going to do 1 at a time and knock these out. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to get these done. I'm running at around 350 degrees. Just close our press and we are cooking. Well, that's looking pretty doggone good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one off and we're gonna do another one. Ooh, hot off the press I'm talking about. Listen to that crunch. Perfect. Loving my new machine here. Well, it's that time, folks. Let's give it a try. Derek's, mine. Mine's got the green stuff. All right. All right, man. Let's give it a try here. Look at that stringy cheese. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Got to be my favorite above any other quesadilla. Some people like just cheese, just steak with cheese. I like these right here. Quesadillas De Camaron.
You know what? I've eaten a lot of quesadillas, but that's the first time I ever had a shrimp quesadilla.
You like the way that...
Man, I like that.
I'm talking about the tortilla, the way that got it crispy
Oh,
on
man,
the outside.
that is
tender
like...
on the inside.
Wow. I like that little machine.
Got 2 more to do. Well, I reckon that's it.
No, that right there deserves a dance.
Wait a minute. I had a comment on a couple of videos back where me and you were dancing at the end. And the guy come back and said, don't give up your day job.
Well, guess what? We both given up our day jobs for YouTube.
That's true. So like Google would say, let's do it.